What's up guys, it's your boy Money Squad. I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online. But before we get into this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my 1 subscriber channel. I post videos every day. So let's get straight into this video. Alright, so the website you want to go to is called swagbucks.com. And this is what it's going to look like. So once you get here, you can sign up with Facebook or you can sign up with your email address. I recommend Facebook because it's faster. But I just went ahead and signed up with my email address. But I know y'all probably thinking, oh, this is just another scam, but it's not. See, this right here actually pays out. I took my time, I did my research, and I found out that it's really true right here. I mean, you're not gonna get rich from it, but I mean, $2,000 every other month, maybe $2,000 every 3 months, that adds up. If you don't touch it, just by like playing games and doing surveys and stuff right there, it's gonna stack up. Just forget about it. I mean, y'all play games and stuff for free every day, right? But if you still don't believe me, here's the reviews about it. See right here, Swagbucks is absolutely legitimate. It has paid out over 400 million to members. There are countless members who have earned as much as 12,000 using Swagbucks. Swagbucks is even safe way for teens to make a little bit of pocket money. Come on now, you can't beat that. So let's hop straight into it and see what it's about. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And once you log in, it's gonna look like this right here. All right, so once you get here, so you can earn 75 Swagbucks in 15 minutes. And 100 Swagbucks is equivalent to $1. But the more that you do, the more you're gonna make. So you just can't do like 2 of them and quit because you're not gonna make no money, of course. But I'm gonna scroll down to ways to earn. So you can coupons and cash back. You can watch videos and earn. You can answer surveys, discover deals, buy gift cards, and you can actually play games too to earn. See, like right here, you can earn 1,500 Swagbucks. It's $15 right there. And you got to make it to a certain level in like 14 days, the same as pop slots, the same as these games right here. All these games, you just got to make it to a certain level in 14 days. And $50, $25, $25, $3.50, $40, like that adds up pretty quick. So if you played all them games, downloaded all of them today, and just played them on your downtime, say when you're taking lunch at work, just play this game, go up like 5-10 levels each time you play it, and it takes like 32 days. It's gonna be pending in your account for 32 days. That's why I said you'll make so much money a month. See, I've made like 10 Swagbucks, and I just literally created this account just now. But all you gotta do is say, let's click on this survey right here and earn 20 Swagbucks. See what it's about. See which of the following TV shows do you currently watch the newest season of. Select all that apply. See, when you do this, you want to really read these questions because they're going to try to trick you to make sure that you're paying attention. So make sure you read them and actually do it. So let's just click some. I don't really watch TV that much. I don't have time. So you agree. And when you finish this survey, you're going to get 20 Swagbucks. It's gonna take 5 minutes to do. You just put in your race and stuff like that. I'm white. I'm not Hispanic. Just put in how much you make a year or so. I work at the shipyard, so I'm broke. Boom. Accept and take the survey. You'll find a survey to take. So I'm gonna do this with you because I'm gonna show you it's not fake. All right, and here you go. All you're gonna do, so you start off at 0%. You're gonna take this survey right here, and when you get done, you're gonna earn money from it. And you just go back and repeat the process and do as many as you can in a day, and you're gonna get paid for it. I mean, it's that easy. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for new content that I post every day. Without further ado, it's your boy Money Squad. Peace.